Okay, let's do that again. We'll roll. I just want to let you know that we'll be coming up. I'll be posting a couple of videos. This is your host, Mr. Nick B, for GMU today, and I will be breaking down this whole Corona COVID-19 stuff to the best of my ability. I've got some new and what I believe would be pertinent information. Just as a for instance, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna spoil. I'm not gonna put up the spoilers yet. So I want you to stay tuned for that. I also have another interesting topics. A couple interesting topics. I've got some programming coming up on MNB TV. One series already is on there. Please do go check that channel out as well. Subscribe to it if you like them. Hit that like button and share. And I use all the subscribers I can get. And by the way, we have a subscriber who gave me some very encouraging words. And Tim, I thank you. That was very encouraging words for me to keep going at this. And C. Beagle also gave us some very informative content. I'd like you all to go check out Quantum of Conscience. The guy did a report as of yesterday or the day before on this coronavirus stuff. So I want you to check it out. Also, another good one is always X22 Report and a couple others. I'm not going to go through all of them. As always, for news and, hard-hitting news and stuff. Next News would be a good one with Gary Frenchie. And then, for the mainstream, all I listen to is OAN right now. And then my local news when they're not, 24/7 Corona. If I wanted that, I'd go get a 6-pack of Corona Light. Anyways, alright guys, you take it easy and stay tuned. So in the next, probably within the next few hours, I'll be airing an episode of GMU Today on this channel. At some point, I'd like to try a couple on MNB TV. So I do want you guys to subscribe to that channel as well. That's one of my own. It just has the ability for me to, if I wanted to invite somebody else, they could program something, put it on that channel. Because it's what they call I think it's what YouTube calls a branded channel. So they'll have access to the channel, not access to my very own personal account, just access to that channel. Is the way I understand it. At any rate, and I think all of YouTubers that are out there should really look into putting your content on Roku TV. I'll tell you what, that's a better way for me to if you guys wanted to, I'll leave some links in the description below on some of these videos, and not every video will have that link. But my next one, I've got something called Get Sense, and I'm going to recommend some things. You guys wanna, a few bucks, and I'll get a few bucks. Just hit that link and do the same thing. And we'll do it that way. Also, if you choose, if you so desire, you may donate to this channel. Just remember $, all caps, GMU guy. Okay, so $, and all caps, GMU guy. Whatever you can, $1 to 50. But I'm not gonna constantly ask and beg for it. Right now I'm unemployed, and I only have Social Security disability that I'm working with as far as income. So, but that's still totally up to you. I'm not going to play it up and whine, and, because God provides. In some way, God provides. And again, my cash tag is just simply $, GMU guy. And I'll leave the links in the description for Get Sense, so you and I both can make a little money if you do it right, okay? So, and then keep in mind, also on MNB TV, I also have a series. It's called Ghost Towns in America. Pretty exciting, because that's just an entertainment program. something you might not have heard of. There is one in, let me see. Okay, I can't even think of the name of the town now. Cat's got my tongue, apparently. I wish he or she had let go of it. And I don't own a cat because I'm allergic. So anyway, didn't mean to pretend I was sucking my thumb. I did something to my top of my thumb and it felt funny. Anyways, so guys, just stay tuned, okay? And man, I hope you like these videos. If you do, slap that like button, share, and please do subscribe. I could use all the subscribers I can get. The more subscribers makes me believe that I should continue on. But it also helps to have those encouraging words. Tim, again, thank you. And C. Beagle, thank you for your very informative and enlightening content. And D. Rob, Daniel Boone, and Edward Black, Blacktop Bullshits, and all the other subscribers and any viewers watching. I thank you for tuning in. God bless you all. Have a great day. This is your host, Mr. Nick B, for GMU Today.